So now we'll see plus plus and minus minus operators with execution. Yeah, let me take int I equals to 5 and I'll take percentage %d. Okay, I'll write before that simply I want to print what is I plus plus. See, I plus plus, and I'll show you the difference. Anyway, both are increments only. Okay, I plus plus means that value 5 will be incremented and then I value will be printed in the next as what is the next value? 6. Okay, you can see the output. Yeah, the output is 6. Now can I write plus plus I? I can write plus plus I. Again the output you will get it as 6. You can see. Yeah, the output is 6. Now the thing is, you feel like both are same? No, mostly not. Okay, we'll see the difference. Okay, I'll write j equals to plus plus I. Just want to print what is I and what is j. Okay, I'll take here percentage %d one more. What is the value? Like I equals to 5. Then plus plus I is nothing but it's a pre-increment. Pre-increment means, so first it will increment the value. So 5 will become 6 here, right? That 6 will be assigned to j. So I'll write here I value became 6, then that value will be assigned to j. So both has to be 6, right? You can see the output. Yeah, you can see 6 6, both are 6 6. But we can see the output with another, like what if I write j equals to I plus plus. So first I post increment means first the value will be assigned. What is the I value first? 5. So 5 will be assigned. 5 will be assigned. So I value 5 will be assigned to j. So that's why j value will become 5. Initially this value of 5 will be assigned to j, that will be j equals to 5. Now afterwards I value will be incremented to 6. So now you can observe I is 6, j is 5. We'll see this output I comma j. So I is 6, j is 5. I think you can find the difference. So that is the one thing you have to check it out clearly. And not only here, you can observe here also. See, one more. Here I want to show you. Yeah, now tell me what is the output of this one. Yeah, I is equals to 5. Now 5 value will be incremented. I told you pre-increment. So plus plus I. So 5 I value will become 6. Then it will be printed. Next line you can see here the value became 6, right? I became 6. So that 6 will come to the next line. So first in this line it will print 6. Then 6 will be printed. So 6 comma 6, you can see the output. So 6 comma 6, the output you can see. And now the thing is, what if I write I plus plus? So will it 6 comma 6? Okay, we'll see first. It's not 6 comma 6, it is 5 comma 6. You can see how it is means. So first 5 post increment, that's why first the value will be taken by printf. So fifth line, line number 5 you can see. So I value is 5. So 5 value will be taken, afterwards incremented to the next line. Fifth line, the value is 5. Where it comes out of fifth line, the value is 6. That's why here I value will be printed as 5. Here the value will be printed as 6. So like this it will be increment and decrement operators. Now the next part, what is the output of this one? Some interesting thing. Of course the behavior will be different in different types of compilers. You can use for Turbo C, it will be different. You can go for code blocks, it is somewhat different compared to that, and even if you go for online compiler it will be different. But we'll see how it will be executed. Okay, in general you can feel like I equals to 5, so here it will be 5, right? So if you feel it as here 5, then it will be incremented, then it goes to the next line. I is printing, it is 6, then 6 plus plus, it will be 7, right? So but we'll see the output what it prints. Okay, anyway I'll explain this one clearly. So 6 7 7, how it will be. Okay, Yeah, the first thing we have to evaluate not from left to right, we have to evaluate from right to left. Remember, we have to evaluate from right to left. Okay, so the first thing what you need to do is here the evaluation. So right side, what is there? Plus I, right? So that plus I you have to take first. Okay, so now I am explaining the first part where you execute in Turbo C, what will be the output you will get. First I'll explain. So 5, the value here plus I means it will be 5 plus it will become 6 here. Okay, now I value is 6 will be taken with this I, and I plus post increment, anyway here also 6, afterwards I value will become 7 after printing, right? Now this is the output you will get in Turbo C. But right now you got it as 677. I'll tell you how it is 677 means. Anyway, execution till this it is same, okay, but it won't print immediately. Okay, once again I'll tell you. Here you can see, here it is 6 first, okay, here it is 6, now here also 6, now here also initially 6. Now the thing is, after 6, what is I value? Plus. I value will become 7 now. Now the replacement will happen for wherever you have I, wherever you have plus I. It won't replace for I plus. Why? Because it's a post. Pre means now the final I value will be replaced for wherever you have plus I. So here plus I is there. So here plus I is there 7. Here I is there 7 will be taken. Not for, I told you, no, not for this one I plus. Okay, same thing happens for online GDB also, and for right now I am using code blocks. Here also it takes the same thing, right? Even you can check it out for another also. Let me, what if I have plus I, here initially it is 5 plus it is 6, now 6 plus 7, and of course here 7 only, but the I value will become 8, right, after last. Why? Because I plus is there. So now 8 will be replaced here, and plus I here also 8 will be replaced. So now the output should be 7 8 8. Let me check it out, the output. Yeah, you can see 7 8 8. I'll take one more like this. So here also I'll take plus I. Okay, let me take here plus I, here I plus. So like this, what happens we'll see. So I value is 5, anyway it is post increment, value is 5, afterwards I value is 6 comes here, 6 plus here it is 7, and here 7 plus here it is post increment, pre increment, that's why 8. Now the final I value is 8. So wherever you have plus I or I will be replaced with 8. Here plus I replaced with I. Anyway, the third one is I plus, it won't replace. This output will be 885. We can see this one. Yeah, you can see 885. So this is what the replacement happens. And now one more final. I'll take I here. So which will become 5. Okay, 5 plus 6 will be here, and 6 plus 7 will be here, and wherever you have final value is 7, and here I is there, that's why that will be replaced with 775 will be your output. You can see the output. So 775, and of course the final one is decrement operator. Same rules will be applicable for decrement. So whatever I explained. So one example I'll take. It is like decrementing. One value will be decremented. Okay, here if you take decrement, if I write minus I, that means 5 value will be decremented, then only prints the value will be 4. Yeah, you can see the answer as 4. And what if I write my I minus? So the output will be 5 only. That means afterwards it will be decremented, and the rules whatever I explained for plus, same thing will be applied for minus. Okay, one example of taking more than one decrement operator in a print statement. Yeah, I, then I'll take plus plus I. Okay, the answer would be, so the first one is plus. Okay, I'll take minus minus, right? Here minus minus I value will be decremented to 4. Okay, now I value is 4. Here 4. Here 4 anyway first, then decrements I value to 3. Now I value is 3, right? So 3 means wherever you have minus minus I and I will be replaced with 3. So last one is 3, and here I is there, that's why 3. So I minus minus will be as it is. So output is 433. You can see 433. So this is what happens with the operators, how they can be. And if you have any doubts regarding this increment, and you can post me in the comment section.